Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So as I was doing my trading today, I was looking at Tesla. I was actually doing a bit of analysis on Tesla. And my goodness, Tesla looks weak as hell. Weak as hell. It looks so weak right now that, my goodness, the level, notice how we've got this here, right? Notice my trend line, resistance through here, right? And we're slowly overall stepping down. We do have a little step here and a pullback, and then we had a gap down, and then we're having a little pullback through here right now. Notice how, like, my goodness, like, notice we had this move up and then we had a gap down and we're getting a little move up. If this continues to be, you know, a weaker sort of pullback and we get a couple of more small bars or small candles, and then if we start to get a nice big candle like something like this, if it holds through here and then we get like a big candle like that, like a big solid candle or a big solid bar that's coming down through here, it would be good to get maybe another couple of small bars and then get that. But even if that doesn't happen, we get a nice big strong down bar looking past $26, 260 on Tesla, then the next stop is actually all the way down to this low level here, right? So if I squeeze my chart up a bit more, actually let's go to the weekly chart because you'll be able to see that on much more on the weekly chart. Pretty much if we break 260, the next look there's no support level there, right? There's maybe a little bit, maybe a little bit there at 240, but 180 is where it's likely to run to. So if you own Tesla stocks right now, and if it starts to break that 260, 250 level, then my goodness, 180 is now likely to happen. Now that may not happen straight away. We may get a drop down to 220, then a bit of a pullback and drop down. But my goodness, Tesla's looking really, really weak. Firstly, on the short term, we had this. On the short term here, right? We have this really weak pattern through here, descending triangle pattern, very, very, very weak pullback through here, and on top of that, if we do start the break, if we do break this 260 level, then Tesla's likely to go for a nice run. And because we've actually been squeezing up into this triangle pattern, once we do break, and it does look like that we're probably going to go for a nice run down towards 180. So really, really, really interesting, because the way that I'm looking at this, guys, if we do get that big breakout bar, it does look like that'll actually meet my rules for me to actually go short this market and maybe buy some put option stuff on the market. So I'll make sure I check my trading list, but that's what I'm looking for anyway, to have a nice trade on this. So let me know what you think in the chat box below. What's Tesla doing right now? And or does it actually hold here and we don't get a break below 260 and then we start to rally back up to new highs? What do you think? Before you go, I am giving away a free trial to the Master Trader Lab with all the different trading courses you can see on the screen right now. So go to mastertraderlab.com right now. I'm running a special over the next few days. So go to mastertraderlab.com to get a free trial to all the different trading courses you can see on the screen right now. So go to mastertraderlab.com.